Hey everyone, welcome back to Love Wisdom, your go-to channel for relationship advice and personal growth. Today we're diving into something different but equally important, your health and fitness. Just like tidying up your home sparks joy, creating a dedicated space for fitness can uplift your mind and body. In this video, we will guide you through setting up the ultimate home gym for beginners, step by step, ensuring it sparks joy and motivates you on your fitness journey. Remember, this is about creating a space that brings you energy and excitement, a sanctuary for self-improvement. Let's get started. First things first, why set up a home gym? Think of it as creating a sacred space in your home dedicated to self-care and well-being. Having a home gym isn't just about convenience, although that's a wonderful perk. It's about cultivating a deeper connection with yourself. Imagine, no more commuting to a crowded gym or feeling self-conscious around others. Your home gym becomes a haven where you can move freely, explore your strength, and nurture your body at your own pace. It's about creating a positive, joyful energy that surrounds your fitness journey. Having a home gym can save you time and money and allow you to work out whenever you want. No more commuting or crowded gyms, just you and your fitness goals. You can start your day with a burst of energy or unwind after work with a relaxing yoga session, all in the comfort of your own home. Remember those neglected workout clothes piled in the back of your closet? Setting up a home gym gives them purpose, reminding you of your commitment to self-care. Each piece of equipment, carefully chosen and arranged, becomes a symbol of your dedication to a healthier, happier you. And don't underestimate the power of working out in a space that brings you joy. Surround yourself with plants, natural light, or inspiring artwork. Choose equipment in colors that energize you. Let this space be a reflection of your commitment to personal growth. Setting up a home gym is an act of self-love, a gift you give yourself to prioritize your well-being. It's about creating a haven where you can cultivate not just physical strength but also inner peace and joy. Step 1 is figuring out where you will set up your gym. Just like when we tidy, we need to assess the available space and envision its potential. Remember, this doesn't have to be a large space. Even a small corner can be transformed into an inspiring workout area. Walk around your home and identify potential areas. Do you have an underutilized guest room, a corner in your living room, or perhaps some space in the garage? Visualize each space as a haven for your well-being. Measure the area carefully, ensuring enough space for you to move around comfortably and perform exercises safely. Consider the equipment you envision using and whether the space can accommodate it. Remember, clarity is key. Clear the clutter from your chosen space just as you would when tidying any other area of your home. A clutter-free environment fosters a clear mind, ready to embrace the joy of movement. Consider the energy flow of the space. Is there enough natural light? Can you open a window for fresh air during your workout? A well-ventilated, bright space can significantly enhance your workout experience. Once you've identified your space, take a moment to appreciate its potential. This is where your fitness journey begins, a space dedicated to nurturing your body and mind. Next, let's talk about your budget. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of setting up a home gym, but it's important to be mindful of your spending. Just as we cherish each item in our tidy homes, we want to make conscious decisions about our gym equipment. You don't need to spend a fortune to get started. Decide how much you're willing to invest in your home gym. Remember, you can always add more equipment over time as your fitness journey progresses. Start by making a list of essential equipment, then prioritize based on your fitness goals and preferences. Do you enjoy strength training, cardio, or a combination of both? Prioritizing your needs will help you allocate your budget wisely. Consider both new and used equipment options. Online marketplaces, local classifieds, and even garage sales can be treasure troves for finding affordable gym equipment. Remember, the most expensive equipment doesn't necessarily spark the most joy. Choose quality over quantity. Invest in a few key pieces that you'll use regularly and that bring you genuine excitement to use. And don't forget about the smaller, equally important items like a good quality yoga mat, resistance bands, and comfortable workout clothes. These small investments can make a big difference in your overall experience. Now let's get into the fun part, the equipment. Choosing your fitness companions is an exciting step. Each piece should spark a sense of purpose and excitement for the journey ahead. Here are some essential items you should consider. Dumbbells, versatile and great for strength training. Opt for a set with adjustable weights to cater to your progress. Choose a weight that challenges you but doesn't lead to strain. Resistance bands, perfect for a variety of exercises and very affordable. These take up minimal space and are perfect for beginners. Look for a set with varying resistance levels. Yoga mat. Essential for floor exercises and stretching, choose a mat that provides adequate cushioning and has a texture you enjoy. Kettlebell. Great for strength and cardio workouts. Start with a weight you can manage comfortably and gradually increase as you get stronger. Jump rope. Excellent for cardio and takes up no space. Choose a rope that's adjustable to your height and material that feels good in your hands. Adjustable bench. For a range of strength exercises, an adjustable bench offers versatility for your workouts. Now that you have equipment, it's time to set up your gym. This is where your vision comes to life. Just as we mindfully arrange items in our homes, we want to create a sense of harmony and purpose in our home gym. Arrange your equipment in a way that's convenient and safe. Make sure you have enough space to move around and perform exercises without any risk of injury. Consider the flow of your workout and arrange equipment accordingly. If your space allows, designate specific zones for different activities. For example, you might have a corner for cardio, another for strength training, and a dedicated space for cool-down stretches. Ensure your gym is well lit and ventilated. Natural light is ideal, but if that's limited, invest in good lighting that brightens the space. Fresh air is invigorating, so if possible, open windows during your workout. Add personal touches that spark joy and motivate you. This could be a vision board with inspiring images, quotes, or your fitness goals. You can also add plants for a touch of nature and vibrancy. Remember, your home gym should be a reflection of your commitment to self-care. Let it be a space that energizes and inspires you to be your best self. With your gym set up, the next step is creating a workout routine. This is about designing a fitness journey that brings you joy and aligns with your goals. Just as we declutter our schedules to make time for what sparks joy, we need to prioritize our workouts. Start with simple exercises and gradually increase the intensity as you get more comfortable. Remember, consistency is key, so start with a routine you can realistically stick to. There are countless online resources and apps that can help you design a routine that fits your goals, whether it's building strength, increasing flexibility, or improving cardiovascular health. Listen to your body and honor its limits. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when starting. Gentle and consistent progress is more sustainable and enjoyable than pushing yourself to the limit and risking burnout. Variety is the spice of life, and it applies to your workouts as well. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of workouts to keep things interesting and prevent boredom. Most importantly, celebrate your progress and acknowledge your efforts. Every workout is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Staying motivated can be challenging, especially when working out at home, but just as we maintain a tidy home by consistently putting things back in their place, we cultivate motivation through small, daily actions. Set specific, achievable goals and track your progress. This could be anything from the number of workouts you complete each week to the amount of weight you can lift. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating. Find a workout buddy. Even if you're not physically working out together, having someone to share your fitness journey with can provide support and accountability. Reward yourself for reaching milestones, no matter how small. This could be treating yourself to a healthy meal, buying new workout gear, or simply taking a relaxing bath to soothe your muscles. Don't be afraid to switch up your routine to keep things interesting. Incorporate new exercises, try different workout videos, or explore outdoor activities. Remember, the most important thing is to find joy in movement. Choose activities you genuinely enjoy and that make you feel good. When you enjoy your workouts, fitness becomes a sustainable part of your life, just like maintaining a tidy and joyful home. And there you have it, the ultimate beginner's guide to setting up a home gym. I hope this video has inspired you to take the first step towards your fitness journey. Remember, creating a home gym is an act of self-love and a commitment to your well-being. Just like tidying up your home brings a sense of peace and joy, having a dedicated space for fitness can energize and motivate you on your journey to a healthier, happier you. Embrace the process, be patient with yourself, and celebrate every milestone. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Love Wisdom for more amazing content. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.